Hello guys, this is Helbiz stock on 16 March. Today let's start explaining this together. What is going to be a side of surprise introductions, and we have to understand that quickly. Like if you have to see things that not going to be beyond this bad thing, and let's see what is going to be through this for the next targets, next sites on that, and 1 to 0, and that is still having a good hope for what I am thinking for all the trading parts, trending and decrease. And is helps to call 60 March actually no problem on the side of what we want on half and 0 and 1, and that is still having a good property for all what we wanted on the side today for the increase in momentum. And okay, that is still have all the sites or all the things that can grab it, or can have a thing that is still have a movement, constant things, without any doubt, without any problem. For the side of surprise prediction and news today, as I'm thinking about this quickly or continuously every day for the 2 hours update, it started to make this from start of March increase, and then it from the 1 March it wanted to decrease until 16 and never went to this. So I think that will actually happen until here. But the thing that is interesting, it would give 50% increase and 50% decrease. That is all what I was think about Helbiz stock, and good luck guys, and see you next episode about this stock on another price prediction. If you like to understand another episode like Tesla and Wonen and AMC stock, I could provide you for that in another video, and see you next time of the news.